Hello everyone, in our last video we unboxed Loona, the adorable pet bot. Today I am going to guide you through the simple step to set up Loona and get her ready to bring some excitement to your life. Let's dive in. First, take your mobile phone and head over to the App Store or Play Store. Search for Loona PetBot app and download it. Once the app is installed, open it. When you open the app, you will see some tips and instructions. Click on Agree to proceed. The app will then synchronize your account data. Next, you will see a login interface. If you already have an account, simply log in. Otherwise, click Register. Choose your country or region, enter your email ID and verify it using the code sent to your email. Then set a password. Select your age, either under 16 or above 16. You can share feedback or skip that step. Now it's time to connect Loona to Wi-Fi. Ensure there's a good Wi-Fi connectivity. To check Loona's status, press the power button to turn her on. Look at Loona's screen. It will show that she is connecting to the network. On your phone, click Next in the app and enable location permissions. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Loona will ask you to scan a QR code on her screen. To generate the QR code, press and hold Loona's power button for 7 seconds until it appears. Then scan the QR code with your phone. Once the QR code is scanned, set up the Wi-Fi in the app and connect your phone to Loona's Wi-Fi. After that, Loona will connect to your external Wi-Fi and the phone will be linked to Loona's Wi-Fi. Now that Loona is connected, let's start the pet adoption process. Follow the on-screen instruction in the app to personalize your experience with Loona. And there you go. Loona is all set up and ready to go. Stay tuned for more videos where we will explore Loona's exciting features and tricks. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech content. Bye for now.